Anyway, welcome to another fine day on this lovely Scottish planet Earth. You joined us in our delightful home from home, also known as the Humble Premier Inn. Today's plan is to actually travel to some hotel, I can't remember the name of it. We are travelling to Loch Ness. I'm going to go on a nice little boat ride and be tourist about half an hour and go, ooh, look at that, and ooh, that's nice, and ooh, isn't it cold? And yeah, walk into town, see what sort of the local lingo is and what you're meant to do. And then we're going to try and work out how the buses work around here and travel to the Clasmond Hotel is where the boat launches from. So we will catch you in due course. A good afternoon to your fine selves and welcome to the delightful Loch Ness, which apparently isn't here, it's another 8 kilometres away. What is Loch Ness? Is it the biggest expanse of water? There's a boat over there. We are going to go on a speedboat or a rib boat, which stands for, what does it stand for?
Something.
Rigid inflatable boat. I don't know how you didn't know that. Yeah, and we are going to go on a nice boat, which will give us an hour of tourism. Then we are going to head back to Inverness and find something to do before tonight train back to London. But we're not travelling by any train. No, we're not. We are travelling by the one and only Caledonian Sleeper, which is a sleeper train. Which, if you don't know what a sleeper train is, it's a train that you sleep on.
See here all the houses, Loch End, and the lateral marker buoys which would navigate you into the canal and latterly to Inverness, which is away 9 miles in that direction.
We live, we survive, we go to live another day on fine planet Earth. We have finished the rib boat experience, that's what it's now known as. I'm sorry I sound like I've got a cold, I'm being attacked by hay fever. The plan from this point onwards is to get the bus to good old Inverness and then go and find tea. And now I'm going to be in trouble by a car. Okay, it's a bloody A road. Anyway, we're going to wait for the 17 bus and we're going to go and find some steak and some very nice food and then travel down to London by sleeper train. Good evening and welcome to my bedroom on wheels, aka the Caledonian Steeple, but we're still sat in Inverness awaiting the departure, which is in about 20 minutes. This is our cabin. It's not very big. I'll give you a very quick room tour because it'll be over very quickly. But here, right, we have one bunk, which is my bunk. The sink is, so you get here and you go like this and you go, woo! And there you go, you've got your own little sink. The only issue is trying to get the thingy down, but one-handed. And there you go, your sink is put away. You have a shelf, which I've just filled with miscellaneous stuff. You have a drink of water for drinking. You have coat hangers, which are a bit big, and you have a door. That's about as far as 188 could get you these days. Is that? So leaving here at 9:15, and we should be at London at 7:45 tomorrow morning, so about 11 hours. Haven't been sleeping too well recently, just, I don't know. You know when you go to bed early but you just don't sleep like last night. But yeah, I will catch you as we are going along. And let the 11-hour journey begin. Night. Good morning and welcome to the next day following on from yesterday. We have made it to the delightful... Where are we? England? We are in England. I'm not sure what bit we are. Probably about half an hour away from London. 45 minutes. It's been a very interesting 11 hours. I have slept, say, a fair bit. If you added all the bits where I did sleep together, you would have had a sort of full night's sleep, but I did keep waking up as we jolted our way through Scotland. And it is quite a novelty waking up and working out what, sort of trying to see where you are on the timetable. I did wake up at Edinburgh, followed by Preston. But other than that, I slept after that. So I'm going to end the vlog here really. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, do whatever, and I'll catch you in the next vlog.